Hi Jamaica, hi friends of Jamaica. I'm Judith Hyatt for Good News Jamaica. Welcome back. On a run, come with me quick. Let's talk about this one. You see, if I love this company with Synco Group one more time. So the back end of today's update is that any one of you out there who has a relative or a family member that, as we say in Jamaica, trouble with any upper respiratory condition such as asthma or any other respiratory condition, including right now COVID-19 related respiratory challenges, you know the life-saving importance of using a nebulizer or some other type of inhaler. Therefore, when KPH said that they needed polyethylene terephthalate PET bottles to make medical spacers, also called holding chambers, Wisynco answered the call. Wisynco Group Limited was approached by the hospital based on the company's access to PET bottles, which they currently use in packaging their beverage products. Under the specification provided from the senior medical officer at KPH, Dr. Natalie Wiley, and other senior medical officials at the Ministry of Health, the group engineer and special projects manager, Mr. Craig Clare, and other team members of Wisynco, they've been volunteering their time since late March to design and manufacture spacers in a bid to fill the growing needs of hospitals island-wide. This is a bottling company, guys. All right? They bottle beverages and they sell them. All right? Now they're into the business of making spacers from those same bottles. The spacers that they're making makes it easier to coordinate breathing than the traditional inhalers and the nebulizers that are being used to aid in the needs of the increased respiratory patients due to the effects of the coronavirus pandemic in Jamaica. The senior medical officer at the KPH, Dr. Natalie Wiley, she shared that there is recent medical evidence which indicates that there is no difference with the treatment efficacy with using the spacer and a meter dose inhaler versus nebulizing the patient. So on another high note is that each patient that is treated with one of these spacers, they'll be given the item to take home. That is good news. So the team at Good News Jamaica, we join in expressing a big thank you to the Wisynco team who volunteered their time to fill the need for these spacers island-wide. Big up Wisynco, and also big up to the innovative team from the Ministry of Health. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and please keep coming back for more positive transformational content. So until next time, be safe, be healthy, wash your hands really good, and most of all, tan your yard.